He's saying to POS, mind you, by this point,
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Any desire I might have had to save my marriage was dead. I'd checked out the day I enacted the first phase of my plan. She's confiding in him that I've gotten worse, that she doesn't know what to do, and she feels like I absolutely hate her. I do. Then comes the bombshell. She says she can't see him anymore. The guilt is too much for her.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
She can't risk losing me. She says that she loves POS deeply, but she's still in love with me. And she has to save her marriage before she loses me. No, my dear, you're about 8 months too late for that. POS loses his shit, saying such lovely things as, he doesn't love you the way I love you.
Your destination is on the left.
You can't just throw me away like this. That text chain would be the last they'd have until about 3 weeks ago. Throughout the remainder of November into December, Sue is stuck in limbo. She's trying to gauge where my headspace is, and is still unable to tell if I'm actually being unfaithful.
All right. I'm just making a cash deposit into my checking.
Yes, sir. I'll get that done. I've got one ahead of you. I'm finishing it up, okay?
Not a problem.
Hello, how are you doing today?
All right.
We're just making a deposit to your checking account.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be back in just a moment.
All right.